Okay, I've just logged into my Cellbucks wallet. I'm going to scroll down. So I've got 81 Rand in my cash voucher. That's what I received from Bitcoinwise. And in my spending money is 3,900 Rand. That's what I just transferred into my wallet. Okay, so I want to merge the 81 Rand into my spending voucher. You will not be able to transfer the spending into the cash voucher, the 168 cash voucher, because that 81 Rand I can physically draw at the counter, but not the 3,900 Rand. So to do that, I'm going to click on the option My Vouchers. It takes a moment to process. And then I'm going to the top one, cash, because I can only transfer the cash one. There's 81 Rand and 10 cents. So I'm going to click on the three dots at the end, on the top one, cash. It will open a drop-down box. I'm going to say transfer voucher. And on top, you have to put in your cell phone number, your personal cell phone number. I'm just going to put in a random number just to show you. But in any case, then I put in the 81 Rand. And then I'm going to choose to transfer it to my spending, 168 spending. And then I'm going to push the transfer voucher button. So it's busy merging the voucher, or transfer the 81 Rand into my spending voucher. So here you can see now I've only got 10 cents left in my cash voucher, but the 81 Rand is now in my spending voucher. And that's how you can transfer all the money from your cash voucher into your spending voucher.